What is up, guys? Welcome back to yet another ToughBuilds episode. If you're not yet subscribed, you might want to do that right now. I'm going to be showing you today how to take off a rear bumper on a 2015 through 2020 rear bumper. So if you want to ever do this by yourself, or maybe you're adding another diffuser back there and you want to know how to take this off, well, there we go.
1/2 inch or 3/8 ratchet, flathead screwdriver, 7mm socket, 10mm socket, extensions, 7mm wrench, panel removal tool.
Let's get on with it! First thing that you guys gotta do is we have to remove this panel right here. There's an easier way to do it. I'm gonna show you. If you come in, you will notice that you have one here, one down there. If we turn around, have one there, and one there. They're really easy. You just take them off. Now that we have got the screws off, all you gotta do is just pop them out of their grooves. On the other side, pop it out of its groove. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is out. I know mine needs to be replaced. I got so much scratches and bumps and stuff like that. But I'm gonna look into this because I need a new one. Next part involves your toe here. You're gonna see this guy here. Now we're over here on the passenger side. Once you got those two out, let's jump to the next one. 10mm. You're gonna have 1, 2, and then one right here. And these hold your tail light assemblies on. Well, bam. Now we're over here by the passenger side. Last one. And well, bam. If you have a 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost, you know that these wires here are not removable by the light, but there is a little connector back here, right where you took that one screw off of. Here's just one tab, and that's all you're gonna do with that one tab. Go ahead and just pull it up. Once you have disconnected your electrical, you're just gonna go ahead and pull on your light, and you're gonna see that there is a boot. Grab your fingers underneath it, pull it, and the whole harness will come right out. This one takes 2 reach around. If you'd rather take your big old wheel off, then you can take your wheel off. But for me, I'm gonna leave mine on. You got a couple that you have to take off. There's one at the bottom, which means this girl here. And there's gonna be another one right inside. So from here, bam. And then you have a 7mm bolt holding it to the body. There's one, there's 2. 2 should be definitely like that. Then your third one is right above it, so it's right where your side marker is. I wanted to get you up close and personal so I can actually show you which ones you're going to be taking off. And the first one is going to be right here, so you will see it. Sorry, mine's just a little messy from the road, but you'll see it right here. And then the other 2 are right in there. So you'll see that hole right there, and then there's another hole right above it, and then you got the 7mm that sits right here. 7mm right there that's coming out. That's the 7mm that we have to take out. To make your life easier, take your wheel off. You're gonna get your 7mm. Make sure it's on the reverse side, so that way you guys are going left and not right. And that's how long your screw is. Pretty long. Underneath here, there's going to be 2 7mm bolts right here. 1, and down there 2. Then you got these 2 girls. And there they are. And now we're going to go over to the passenger side and do the same exact thing. We are on the opposite side of the car, which is the passenger side. They make special ones for the pins like these. And there we go. Now the rest of the bumper is pretty much held on by clips, guys. You gotta be a little bit forceful with it. We have a harness in here. Sorry guys, by the way, I haven't been posting videos. I know it's just one of those things that, you know, you gotta keep posting if you want to grow, and I understand that, and understand me is that I'm going through a rough time. If you guys understand how money works, then you know how the world works. So the world works a little different for me as much as it works for you. During the coronavirus, if you guys have not known, my hours have been getting shorter, and I'm not getting a very big, large sum of money anymore. And not only that, but the drive shaft on silver bullet is still broken. So I'm going to give you guys an update on that when I can. And then also, you know, I got rent on top of bills, on top of bills, on top of bills. Like, I never get a break on top of money. I am going to be planning something to do with my taxes when it comes through. It's going to be something that's a little bit expensive, but not too expensive to where I can at least save a little bit of money, because I do need to start working on my teeth for myself, and so that way you guys can view me a little better. Other than that, I have other plans to do, but I'm not going to reveal them all into this video right here. But I really do appreciate every single one of you that has hit that like button. Please continue to hit that like button. It helps me grow, and it helps this video get seen more. Here's your chance, guys. I am still doing the giveaway for the lights. It's still continuing. It has not stopped. The only reason why I haven't been here is not because of you guys. I am still going to be doing that giveaway. Other than that, guys, my name is Chris. You guys were just watching ToughBuilds. Make sure you guys drop a like on this video. Drop a comment down in the section down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Also, share this video with all of your friends and all of your family so this video can get large and charged on YouTube. Other than that, guys, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next banger.